Do you have water damage in your home or business? Time is not on your side. More time equals more damage, and more damage equals more money out of your pocket. Floods can also quickly lead to dangerous mold growth if not handled by an expert. What's the solution? Call us immediately. We always answer our phone. Or fill out the form to contact us by email. You'll have quality, certified, local water damage restoration experts sent to your home or business today. A free inspection and no obligation estimate is your first step towards getting your property dried out and restored as good as new. There is absolutely no risk in calling us, but you risk more damage and more money by doing nothing. Take action by calling your local water damage restoration experts today.